Hello and welcome to ABP Live Auto Awards 2025, and we have with us Team MG who has received 2 awards, one EV of the year and the second is Automotive Innovation of the Year. But first of all, I am going to ask you, okay, this event is by the Autonauts and for the Autonauts. So how do you define being an Autonaut, and are you an Autonaut yourself?
So Autonaut for me is, enjoying the thrill of driving every day, yet enjoying the best of tech. So, and we at MG truly pioneer auto tech leadership, being a young brand in the country. So for me, being a tech head, being a performance head is what defines me as an Autonaut.
Receiving award for the automotive innovation and EV of the year, both I think are very important, very crucial and very big awards. These are big titles, but when we specifically talk about EV, Indian market is actually going towards a hybrid and EV. So, what does the company keep in mind when it comes to sustainability, and what is the roadmap of the company, especially for the Indian market?
So when we christened our joint venture with the JSW group, we committed our long-term vision towards new energy vehicles. So MG Motor India, as a part of MG 2.0 strategy, is continuously focusing on developing a strong portfolio of PHEV, EVs and hybrids as a part of the MG 2.0 framework. Specifically coming to Windsor, we are really humbled that ABP is giving us this award, and this is our 28th award as the 28 plus awards for Windsor. Windsor is also the fastest EV to achieve the 20,000 mark for any EV to be achieved by an OEM. So we've got 20K in 6 months time since launch, again the fastest. And at the same point in time, we are really thankful to our initial batch of customers who've adopted, and like you said, we won 2 awards. So the first award that you gave us was for Innovation of the Year, which is BAS. So battery as a service, what we've essentially done is that we have reduced the price gap between ICE and EV ownership by introducing battery as a service. It has truly been a catalyst towards Windsor EV's adoption, and I'm sure that with future products that MG has launched or will launch actually, we continue with BAS and other innovative experiences that would ensure EV ownership is more accessible, EV ownership is democratized and is ready for the future.
Well, rightly said, and being an EV driver myself, I think this is actually the future of our country.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again for receiving these big 2 awards.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.